Hey, welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of Notability to show you how to scan a document, adjust the settings, and make some quick edits. Whether you're new to Notability or just looking up your scanning game, this video is for you. Let's get started. First things first, fire up Notability. Next, create a new note. See that blue button in the upper right-hand corner? Tap it. When your new note opens, look towards the bottom of the page and select Scan. This will fire up the camera. Once in the camera, on the right-hand side, you have a few settings like Flash, where you can choose between Auto, Always On, or Off. Color filters, where you can choose between color, grayscale, black and white, or photo. The Take Picture or Shutter button. And Auto or Manual Scanning. I normally don't touch or change any of these settings, but if you need to, you can. Now position your document within the frame. If you have it set to auto, Notability is smart enough to detect the edges and will scan the document after a few seconds. I find that it's a good habit to have one page in view at a time, as this makes for more consistent scans. And remember, Notability can handle multi-page documents, so just keep scanning those pages one by one. When you're done scanning all of your pages, if you tap on the images at the bottom of the screen, it will show you everything you have scanned so far. At the top right corner, there are 5 edits you can make before inserting your scans into Notability. If you press the first button, this will allow you to crop your scanned images. Simply drag your finger near each corner you want to adjust. It will magnify the area so you can perfectly line up the corners. I usually only fix the images if they come out really bad. When you're finished, press the Done button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. The next button allows you to change the color filters. These are the same filters that you could have selected when scanning the documents. They are as follows: color, grayscale, black and white, and photo. The next button allows you to rotate your scans if they're not in the right position. Each time you press it, it will rotate the image 90 degrees. The next button is the trash can. This is the delete button. When you press it, it will remove the page you're currently looking at. Finally, the last button is the retake button. If you find that there's something wrong with one of your scans, press this and it will open the camera for you to be able to scan the document again. Now that you've scanned and edited all of your documents, tap Done in the upper left corner of the screen. Next, tap Save in the bottom right. This will bring you back into your note. You have one more thing that you have to do. Choose how you want to insert your scans. I always insert mine as a PDF, as this fills the entire page and allows me to annotate, color, and write on the pages as needed. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications for future videos like this. If you're interested in learning more about assistive technology or the services we provide, please visit our website at www.kenyanlearning.com.